What up, what up, what up, what up? Your boy Josie and one over here. Got home. About to start unloading everything so we can start packing the things that we haven't packed. Get out of my way, girl. This annoying ass right here, I was mad and shit. She just got off her, you know what the what the ladies get. So yeah, you know, I guess I gotta bear with that shit, but it is what it is. I move, scoot up a little bit because the door isn't open all the way. Man, I'm gonna miss it over here. Then it kind of sucks because my neighbor, I think I've told you in one of my videos, he's disabled. I think he had like a bad car wreck. So he cuts my grass for $20. But now that I'm be gone, I mean, we won't be getting those $20. I'll probably be swinging by and then just give him $20, maybe like every month, you know, help him out. Yeah, and then these right here, my old neighbors, they moved out. They bought a new house. They remodeled it. They even added an extra, I think he said bath, because like I said, ours is only one. See, she's over here rushing me and shit, telling me to help her. Like those fucking boxers are heavy, man. I could pick that shit up with the tip of my penis. All right, guys. Just want to let y'all know we made it home. We're going to start packing up. I guess then just wait till around 1:30 to go pick up the U-Haul. And yeah, we'll be packing and going to unload. Look at her dumbass. She can't even carry some fucking boxes. They literally, that shit's not even a fucking pound right there. Come on. All right, guys. Oh, I'm actually gonna let my boy, the driver, borrow the Jeep for a week at least, or probably less, because he's carless due to drunk driver hitting him. And he was putting that TSX together, but that's the one that I bought the K24 off of, so he's not gonna end up doing it. But you know, I don't mind. You know, I help my boys out, so I'll let him borrow it. This is an extra car I got. I still have the SI. That's the reason why I have to finish it today to get it going, because that's the only car I'm gonna have. The EM1 is still not done, and then there's my wife's CRV. I do plan on getting another extra car, like a weekend car. That's gonna be later on. Right now I'm more focused on getting more money, saving more money, and then going for the house next year, maybe around tax season, or at least start the process, because you know, I will be there for a year at the new location. But yeah, guys, all right, so I'm gonna let y'all go before she beats me up, because she does beat me, guys. I need help. I'm just messing around with y'all, guys. We have a good relationship. We've been together for I'm gonna have to ask her. Don't tell her. I think about 6-7 years. Babe, how long have we been together? Huh?
10 years.
Oh, sorry, I was wrong. 10 years. We've been married for how long? We've been married for 6 years. See, so I was kind of close. Man, I'm not good. I'm not even good with birthdays. I suck at that. I barely even know my birthday. All right, guys. I'm about to close out the video. I'm gonna tell you. I'll tell you, she does beat me, low key. But don't say anything. I'm just kidding, guys. Because I don't want this to actually go overboard and somebody reports it and then they come looking for her ass and take her ass to jail for beating me. But yeah, guys. All right, so I'm about to end the video over here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out, guys. Peace. Nos fuimos.